Okay, here is a short tutorial on how to make your vehicle move. Um, Red Sparrow had asked about how to make the vehicle move, so I'm going to show you how. This is using Nile. The principle is just about the same using MED, but MED goes through different processes, and most part MED doesn't even use a WAC file. I'm not familiar with it. Somebody who is familiar can make you a little tutorial or talk you through it. I know you're having problems with reading other tutorials, so I'd appreciate it if one of the other guys can make a video tutorial of it to show you exactly what to do. Um, so what I done here was I chose my terrain, which I used a flat. Okay, I added a vehicle. I added an AI to run the vehicle. I also set a waypoint list. Okay, now I already did this earlier from the scratch showing the video. Then when I was watching the video, I noticed I had my sound muted, so that wasn't going to help you. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to save this, but what I am going to do is I'm going to erase all of this. Okay, tile, erase all the tiles, and I will show you from the beginning how to add all this stuff. So let's go to object palette. First thing we need was the vehicle, so I just chose the very first one and put it wherever you want. Okay, now let's get us an operator. I of course didn't want a bird to operate it, so I just chose a civilian male. I'll put him here. Okay, I'll also put in a way or a start player so you can go in and check it out. Put him up here. Okay. Now let's put our waypoints in. So let's go one here, one here. You can put them wherever you want. Remember, this is just showing you the process. Okay. Now what we got to do is we have to go in. We have to designate the waypoint. So let's do this. Has to be in 2D and null to work on it. It says 2D. This is checked. I got it set for loop. Click on that one, that one, that one, that one, and there's the loop. Okay, I go ahead and save that. Um, I can get out of the waypoint list now, but what I want to do here, I notice, is just bring this one down a little bit, make them a little square there. Okay, and now to make it look, like there is something there, because you won't see it in 3D, you won't see the path, you'll just see him running around the field. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a path, visible path, simply by entering a tile. So let's insert that. Let's go here. Down here. Oh, you saw gun kind of missed. Oh well, shit happens. Shit happens. Okay, and I'll put this over here where he's standing so you know where he's at. Okay, so essentially what you got here is you got a little dirt path for him to follow. Okay, now really what I should do to make it seem a little more loose is highlight all my waypoints, and I'm gonna set the radius for 10. Okay, see the circle on them now. So he'll turn around. You know, he'll go around here instead of going here and then turning a hard 90. He'll kind of swoop out. You know, make it a little more natural looking. Okay, I didn't do that on the original one, but you'll get the general idea. So I'm not going to save this, and I will compile the video and see what happens.